Okay, here it is. It's finally complete. It's about as much holes as I think I would need, but I'm not sure. Again, this is the first time I'm making one of these, or I'm going to even use one of these. So if I need more, I will drill a few more holes, but I'm pretty sure this is all I need. And made a few of these, and we made a few of these. Let's see. These guys are labeled. Just in case it's not squared, I labeled it that this, this goes up here, and it'll pretty much stay in these slots. So it goes down here, and they're pretty tight. I got them down to exactly 0.75 inches, but these I made 0.74 inches, so they slip in quite easily. They come in and they go out. So whether it's square or not, I have no idea. And you can see it's quite square, but if you look, since I milled these to 0.74, I don't know if you can see it, but it does wiggle just a little bit in there. Okay, I think that one wiggles the most, but see if we can see it. Not really, but it seems pretty square. Let's check this guy here now. Let's see. Oh. So we take this guy. Slip it up there. All right, yeah, there's absolutely no gaps, but this is a framing square, so I guess it's time to see if we can let's see. It doesn't have to. Seem to be off a little bit. Not too bad. Probably my error for not keeping this and this and this flush. Gonna have to figure out a better solution for that, that's for sure. Gonna have to really rethink that one. I think I have to figure out something for this fence. Maybe I'll drill these these holes here to put the fence over there. Put the fence here, stick it in the hole, and that won't move. I don't have to worry about that. Huh. Anyway, this is pretty close enough. I mean, if we can get the framing square in there. Oops. If we can get the framing square in there with no gaps, no doubt, it's square enough for any cut I'm going to make. I don't think I have to worry too much about that. Okay, we resume. I cut a piece of Delrin. Delrin is way easier to work with than steel or aluminum. This is makes it so much easier. So I think we put this guy in here. Oh, I need a 1/8. Put this guy in here. The only problem with that is I didn't put a tab or anything, so when we screw it down, it might be able to turn. You know, I should have put a little tab there, but it's a prototype, you know. You get what you get. Obviously, if this works out, I'll rethink the idea and make a better one. But again, this is the practice MFT top. But, yeah, holes in the board. Okay, having holes in your worktop might not be the greatest. I just dropped the screw down that hole. Not really a screw, but oh my goodness. Well, you know what? We'll just find out how well it works with 3 little bolts. One of them is a bit longer than the other. So. Oi. I think we gotta clean that hole out down there. All right. Okay, I think we got it now. Okay, back to testing this. There's one. There's two. There's three. You know. There, I got it down. Let's go back to this. Let's see. Yeah, okay. Another four. Oh, and it caused you some error there. Yeah, there. That's perfect. All right. Oh, oops. All right. Looks like that side is bigger than that side, but oops. Looks like this side is bigger than that side, but not that much. I don't know if I need to break out the digital calipers, but usually this is good enough for me. All right, whoa, what we got here? We got 6, about 6, 8, 4, and 6, 9. So 0.006 off of 4 cuts. Okay, much more accurate than when I didn't have this. This guy right here made a big difference. I mean, this is aluminum. This is, oh, go back. This is aluminum. This is aluminum. This is aluminum. So very hard to get this to stay on there. Plus, this is a new MDF, very slippery. Yeah. So I think when I was doing the testing the first time around, I got some error because this wasn't against this, and this wasn't against this. Probably because it's so easy to move because I got it on a wood. I think if this was directly on here, it wouldn't move at all. So if we're off 0.006 inches on this little 5-cut method, I'd say plenty good, way better than I need. So this is very important, or having something secure your fence to these 2 dogs is very important. Also, cutting this down so that the saw can get by. That would be a good thing too. But for now, I think this project is done. Not much more I can do until I figure out if I need more holes. I might decide to put a finish on the edges. Maybe not the top. I don't see why it's important. This is a temporary workpiece. Oh, I did find out something else though. I do know now why most tops are 3/4 inch. This was originally, and probably it still is, my practice top to practice drilling the holes, practicing if it came out square, seeing how many holes and what pattern I need. This is where I'm going to figure it out. So what I do when I build my real one, well, I don't know real or what, but the next one, version 2, I was going to use 4x12s because I have a bunch of 4x12s. I don't want to go buy lumber. Lumber prices are crazy, but I have a bunch of 4x12s where I could make a, I could easily make a 4x8 table with the 4x12s. And that was a plan because I think it's much more solid to have a solid table to work off of. But as I think about it, this one's on wheels, and you see, I can push it around, so it's not really that solid anyway. And if I brace the perimeter where I'm working, it'll be pretty solid. If I put 2x4s or something on the around the perimeter, it would work. But the main reason, I think, most people go at 3/4 inches. You can use these types of clamps. See, it won't go in here. No matter what you do, it won't go in. In the end, it won't go in. It goes in here, no problem. But it won't go in here because this thing is, what is that, 3 inches deep or whatever? 2.5 inches. Now, if your top was 3/4 inches, no problem. You can use these types of clamps, no problem, right? And it's pretty good. Even when you're not at the edge, like at the edge, you can hang it off and slip it in. Yeah, no problem. Even when you're not at the edge, if it's 3/4 inches, you can still put it in, turn it, drop it down there, and throw the clamp on. So that's kind of a plus, having the top be 3/4 inch.